looks silly. It looks a bit silly.
Hello, my name is James Hart and I draw comics and cartoons and things like that. It's been a while since I've made a video. How have you been? But I have been busy drawing and doing stuff. Today's video is very exciting for me because it's an unboxing video and it's something that I pre-ordered from the America months and months ago, and it finally arrived thanks to the American Postal Service, and I'm really excited to open it because I love this thing. And it is this Garbage Pail Kids Monopoly Special Edition. That's the main reason I got it, if I'm honest. I just want to look at that picture forever. If you don't know who Garbage Pail Kids are, you can look it up. They're amazing. They were a trend in the 80s when I was a child, back when we had dinosaurs. Because I'm very old. Funny thing is, as you get older, you start to rediscover these things. I've been massively getting back into the things that I used to love when I was a kid. I've been reordering old He-Man toys because I used to love He-Man. And the other thing I've been getting into is Garbage Pail Kids, because they still make them. They still make new ones. They bring new ones out every day. And this is the book, and it will show you some of the things. So this is what Garbage Pail Kids basically is. It's really gross pictures of kids paintings, beautiful paintings. Hothead Harvey, based on Transformers. If I tilt it that way, Meltin Elton. And so for the last couple of years, I've been reordering an awful lot of the cards. I've been ordering them loose so I can look through them and play with them. But I've also been ordering the boxes. These are newer ranges actually, they're not the old range. This is Garbage Pail Kids Oh the Horrible. I don't take them out the packet. I just like looking at them like this because it feels like I'm in a newsagent as a kid. And that makes me feel really happy just seeing them like this. Oh the Horrible Revenge of. This is We Hate the 80s. This is a box I've been getting. There was a Japanese version called Bikini-kun. See, look, he's putting his finger through his skull. Yeah, so I got some of them as well. Anyway, point is, I love Garbage Pail Kids. I think they're brilliant. I think they're just the perfect pitch of cutesy cartoon humour and absolutely gross stuff. The point is, I've got this thing, and now I want to open it. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. And then at the end, I could do a drawing of one of the things, because I do drawings, that's what I do. I can't help it, sorry. So if you want that, that's going to happen too at the end of the video. And if you don't want that, you can just cut the video off, it's easy. Garbage Pail Kids Monopoly, let's go! Start with myself. Right, let's get started. Garbage Pail Kids Monopoly. I have been so excited. I have not opened this for about a week because I've been trying to wait to make a video. And now here we are, and I can finally open it. It looks so exciting. As you can see, a beautiful painting on the front. Absolutely beautiful. All the different Garbage Pail Kids. There's the side of the box. Because wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? That looks so much fun. I'm so excited. Why am I still talking? Why don't I just open it? Oh, you can see some money. Here's the board. Here's the other stuff. Let's come back to all that. And let's look at the board first. Oh. Flipping heck. Look at that. That doesn't all fit on the screen, does it? So instead of Community Chest, you have Community Chester. Instead of Chance, you have Never Had a Chance. Bustin' Dustin. I remember Bustin' Dustin, he was in the original line from the 80s. Double Heather. Oh, actually, looking at all of them, they're all the original Garbage Pail Kids. But these are like old school. These are the ones I used to trade when I was a kid. Spacey Stacy. Fryin' Ryan. I liked Fryin' Ryan. Creepy Carol. Cyclops. Four-Eyed Ida. Starin' Devon. I remember him. He used to freak me out when I was a kid. Greaser Greg. Split Kit. New Wave Dave. Eerie Eric. Weird Wendy. Nasty Nick. Alligator. Buggy Betty. Cracked Jack. Bony Tony. He's quite a classic one. Thin Lynn. Ted Dead. Leaky Lindsay. And Adam Bomb. He's kind of the poster boy for Garbage Pail Kids. They use him a lot. He's quite a cool design. Right. Let's look at the other stuff. Let's have a, yeah, so Never Had a Chance. Goes there. Goes there. I'm not actually going to play it, I just want to set it up. Your diaper collection ripens. Sounds about right. Doctor extracts £10 of earwax. Pay $50. So these cards are for the properties. There you go, you can see on the other side. So in original Monopoly, these were houses, weren't they? 1 house, 2 house, 3 house, 4 house, and hotel. They're such beautiful drawings. Really nicely done. Weird Wendy, I think she's a new one, isn't she? Nasty Nick, I don't know. Can't remember. Yeah, beautiful. Search Garbage Pail Kids dollars. 1, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500. Oh look, you still get houses and hotels. So you put the houses on the thing. But these are different. In normal Monopoly, the counters you use would be, what were they? A top hat, a dog, an iron, I don't know, other stuff. In Garbage Pail Kids Monopoly, I don't know if you can see that, one of the counters is a guillotine, little basket to collect the head. There we have a garbage can. Very nice. Oh, it's an eyeball. Yep, it's an eyeball. I thought it might be snot because it's got a trail behind it, but no. That is an eyeball. Oh, zit goo. Spot cream. The fish skeleton. It's nice. A little silver turd. Of course, you couldn't have Garbage Pail Kids without a turd. That is suitably gross. These are the instructions. I'll show you this just in case you want to read through it. But it's, yeah, I think it's the basic Monopoly rules. Oh, there we go. Hotels and houses are renamed garbage cans and dumpsters, respectively. Skateboard, motorcycle, snot rocket and steamroller replace the traditional railroad spaces. If you weren't allowed to collect these cars in the 80s. I was allowed to collect them, and then I was ill for a week, and I came back to school, and the school had banned them, and I'd brought a whole suitcase full of them to school, so I got in a lot of trouble because I didn't know they'd been banned. Yeah, so that's it. That is Garbage Pail Kids Monopoly. Garbage Pail Kids Monopoly. Which one would be fun to draw? Let's try Adam Bomb, since he's the best known. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to go and draw Adam Bomb. Thank you very much. Bye.